Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Chapter 8, Theorem 3. In this class I will prove Theorem 3. Dear students, so at first we have to know what is Theorem 3. Theorem 3 is given here. Theorem 3, the diagonals of a parallelogram, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. This is Theorem 3. It means that we need to prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, dear students, you know that to prove a theorem we need to follow some steps. First step is we have to write the general enunciation. We have to write the general enunciation. General enunciation means here we have to write the question. Here we have to write the question. So write the question. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we can write, it is required to prove that, it is required to prove that it is required to prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. This is our general enunciation, and then our next step is we have to write the particular enunciation. To write the particular enunciation, we have to draw the figure also. So we can draw the figure here. Students, we can write here ABCD is a parallelogram and AC and BD be two diagonals. So we can write here ABCD is a parallelogram whose two diagonals are AC and BD. It means that we can write the particular enunciation. These two diagonals intersect each other at O. So we can write the particular enunciation here. We have to write the particular enunciation according to figure. Particular enunciation. What is particular enunciation here? We can write here let or suppose the diagonals AC and BD of the parallelogram ABCD intersect at O. Intersect each other at O. So we can say it is required to prove that the diagonals bisect each other. It means that two parts of the diagonal AC will be equal and two parts of the diagonal BD will be also equal. So we can say it is required to prove that, or we need to prove that it is required to prove that AO equal to CO and AO equal to CO, AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. You can write yourself, you can write AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, you can write in any way. Okay, now this we need to prove, Okay, dear students, to prove this, construction is not needed here, so we will not write the step construction. If any extra part is necessary to draw to prove, then construction is needed. To prove this, any extra part, nothing to draw, so we will not write here construction, the step construction. Now we will go to the step proof. Okay, to prove this, we can say AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. As AB parallel CD and AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. So we can say angle, as AC is the transversal, we can say these two angles will be equal. BAC is equal to ACD. So we can say angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. These two angles are equal. Why these two angles are equal? We can say here, as these two angles are alternate, we can say here alternate angle ACD. We can get the side note as alternate angles are equal, as alternate angles are equal. Okay, now again we can consider AB parallel CD, BD is the transversal. AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, BD is the transversal. In this case, we will get the angle ABC and angle BDC. ABC and angle BDC. These two angles are alternate, so these two angles are equal. So we can write here again, and again AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD and BD is the transversal. BD is the transversal. So we can write here angle ABC, sorry ABD, not ABC, this is ABD. ABD will be equal to alternate angle BDC. BDC, alternate angle BDC. What is the reason? The same reason, as alternate angles are equal. As alternate angles are equal. So now we can consider two triangles. We can consider triangle AOB and triangle COD. So we can write here, now in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and in triangle COD, we know angle BAC and angle ACD. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. We can write here angle BAC means BAO. So we can write anyone. We can write anyone. Angle BAO is equal to angle, we can say OCD. BAO OCD or DCO. We can write anyone. OCD. Here we can write angle BAO means BAC. Angle BAO equal to angle BAC, and angle we have written OCD. OCD means we can write OCD means ACD. OCD means ACD. So we can write OCD. This means angle ACD. As AOC lie on the same straight line. Okay. Now we can write angle ABD. Angle ABD means ABO. We can write ABO equal to angle, we know BDC means ODC. So we can write here ODC. ODC. As we can write here angle ABD. Angle ABO is equal to angle ABD. From the figure we can say. Okay, and angle ODC is equal to angle BDC. Dear students, you have seen that angle BAO is equal to angle OCD and angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. So we can say that these two angle will be equal to this two angle. Now AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So we can write here and AB equal to CD. Why these two sides are equal? As ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram means its opposite sides are equal. So we can say AB equal to CD. Now see from the congruency of two triangles, we can say when two angles and one side of a triangle will be equal to the two angles and one side of another triangle, then these two triangles are said to be congruent. So we can say therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. AOB and COD, these two triangles are congruent from the theorem angle side angle, according to angle side angle theorem, angle side angle theorem of congruency, according to angle side angle theorem of congruency. Okay, as these two triangles are congruent, so we can say similar sides of these two triangles will be also equal, as these two triangles are congruent. So we can say AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. So we can say AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. This AO and CO means these are two parts of the diagonal AC, and BO equal to DO means these are the two parts of the diagonal BD. So we can say, as these two parts and these two parts are equal, so we can say that the diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD bisect each other. ABCD bisect each other. So proof is done here. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the proof of this theorem. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.